Okay, in this lecture, we're going to be covering a topic of uh, transformation and animation within Flutter, using Flutter's built-in libraries for handling transformation and animation. So there's a sample app that I built for this, and here it is. And these various buttons then demonstrate the various types of animation and transformation. So here is uh, an example of how a widget or button is transformed or scaled to be larger. And then here is another case where the button or widget is scaled to rotate. And if you look at these examples here, like for example, the rotate button, you can see that we have a brand new screen, and then we apply a transform function on and you can see the transform here, and then the target widget, which is a button, and we're rotating it 45 degrees. Okay. Um, and so there's the various different types of transformations that you can do. And some of the other more interesting ones are like these animation, where you can actually do an animation, and bouncy, something like this. And they all basically use, if you look here, they all use either the transform or some other parts of it. And here, the transform also uses a controller, an animation controller. So if you look at the definition of this controller, it is of type animation controller. Okay, so that what basically allows you to have some callbacks or uh, some kind of control over the buttons. This type of transformation or animation is not very commonly seen in business types of applications or tools kind of applications, but it might be more common to be seen in maybe educational or entertainment applications.
Please subscribe to this channel and like this video to support this kind of work.